Welcome to Sabbu's kitchen. It is an irresistible feeling to have a hot and tasty snack on a cozy evening. Today Sabbu's kitchen brings how to make a cheese corn packet.
The ingredients are bread slices, boiled sweet corn, peri peri masala, butter, and grated cheese. Take a bowl, add corn, peri peri masala, and cheese, mix it well. Remove the brown part of the bread and apply water to the edges as shown in the video. Place the mixture on the center of a slice and cover the top with another. Now seal the edges by pressing and applying water if necessary. Apply butter on a heating pan and fry both sides of the packet in low flame until it turns brown in color. Serve the hot and tasty corn packets with tomato ketchup.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.